everybody, welcome back to my scrappy space. Today is the last layout of the month of November, and I want to say first off that I am so thankful and blessed by the people who have subscribed and given me a thumbs up and commented and just reached out to me. You guys are just amazing and I appreciate every single one of them. I just want you to know. So before we get too sappy, and I want to thank the Mini Kit Monday ladies for putting this amazing challenge on. I have had so much fun with it. I think it's just a really good way to use your supplies and to just focus on a little mini kit and to do a couple of layouts. Now I chose a huge kit at the beginning of the month, and that does not work well for me because I'm scattered too much. So I need to tone it down, but I'm going to keep that in my mind for the coming year. This week I am choosing to use leaves, ribbon, and a die cut. Now I'm going to do it this time, I promise. So I'm going to put a little line through here, and if you hear noises, it's because my dog is here and he wasn't leaving me alone with the door closed, so I have to do what I have to do, right? So I'm going to be using some of these as well. I got these at Walmart and they're made out of metal and they're not that thick, and I thought, oh, those are cool. I wonder if I could use those on my scrapbook. So I'm going to pull one of these in. I'm not sure which one. I just thought they were fun. This is the sketch I'm going to be using. I did pull some washi tape in. I will go get some ribbon. I think I have some brown ribbon, but I don't know if I want brown or a cream color, but I have it in my little ribbon jar, so I'll be bringing that in. So when I look at my sketch, I decided that I was going to bring this in, the floral from Echo Park. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to use this as my background piece, this is my background piece, or this one. I really, really love this yellow. And then I'm going to add some of this stripe, but not, I don't think in a big bold swatch like that. I'm not sure. So anyways, those are the papers that I chose to use this time. And then I'm going to kind of go gangbusters with my sticker sheet. I am getting tired of having this collection in my collection. I have two of them. I went kind of gangbusters, and I just kind of want to get it out and start really using the stuff that I've been hoarding. That's another thing that I've been working with, is use the papers that you like, and you can bless somebody with the other ones because they may feel like that is the end all. So anyway, and then I'm going to use these die cuts. I'm not a super big giant fan of Echo Park's die cuts just because they're kind of the same. You'll always get one like this. There are different prints on them, but you always seem to get the same ones. So I'm going to fussy cut some of these. I'm going to kind of power through as much as I possibly can with these little tidbits right in here. I may or may not stitch. You guys know how I feel about stitching, and I don't know that I can get my little stamps to zip around that. So anyways, that's what I'm going to focus on. I'm super excited to get started. Hi everybody, welcome back. So this layout took a complete 360. I did use some of the paper, but that's about it. I didn't even scrapbook the original of what I was going to be doing. I decided to go ahead and scrapbook a photo of me with my grandies at the pumpkin patch. And the reason why I changed my mind is because it was basically the mood and feel of what I was originally going to do with my father-in-law and the little impromptu Thanksgiving we had with him. It just didn't, the papers just didn't work with me at the time, but sometimes I'm not in a mood for a certain color too, so I don't know if that's what it was or whatever. So anyways, when I was pulling the die cuts out from Echo Park, as you can remember, I'm just kind of discouraged with them, but let me come back to that. But as I was flipping through them, it was just more of a fall theme as far as, you know, the pumpkin patch type of thing. And I thought, oh, I'll just go ahead and scrapbook the photos of going to the pumpkin patch. But one of the things that I was thinking about is, Donna, why do you not like these Echo Park die cuts? They're cute. So what I thought I would do is, it's not that I don't dislike all of them. I just don't like that it's the same repetitive, like this shape will be in Christmas or July or whatever, something like that. But I thought, okay, what are you going to do with that? So what I did is I went through and I altered them to make them be what I wanted them to be. So there was, I don't even remember now, I should have kept a lot of it, but I just started fussy cutting pieces out. And that wasn't original, but I made them be what I wanted them to be. And so they're smaller, so I can use them in my project life, or a flip pocket, or something like that. So I just wanted to encourage you that if you do come across something and you're like, oh, that thing's huge, or there's too much white space around it, or it's just like not yours, something that, you know, not yours, but something that doesn't work for you, you can alter it. You can do that. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you. So I did keep some of the original pieces because I'm not quite sure if I want to cut this out, or this was a card. I cut it down, and there's going to be like this little piece I like as is. So, and the tag I like. So anyways, back to the sketch and the layout. I did do my tic-tac-toe for Mini Kit Monday, leaves, which here's my leaves, ribbon, this green ribbon here, and a die cut, which these are all die cuts. So yay! Thanks, Dolly, for putting those out. That was wonderful and fun to play with. I did use my stitchy stamps. I was able to bend them. What I did is I drew out took a plate, and I got the shape that I wanted with a pencil, and I was able to bend this around, and it didn't turn out perfect, but I just covered up the imperfectness. Is that a correct word, terminology? So if you guys can, these would be great for a little stocking stuffer. Not that I want to, you know, encourage everybody to buy, but these are really fabulous. Okay, so back to my little layout here. I have been really enjoying the rough edges, which is kind of a surprise to me. And so what I've been doing is I'll go ahead and ink it if I want to ink it. And then I have just been using my fingernail because it gives it so much, not gives it, it just, you have a lot more control with it. So anyways, I went ahead and roughed this up. I gutted the back, put all this down, and then on my flags, I was going to show you. So see, I've inked them, and then you just run your fingernail through. And no, you don't get paper cut. At least I haven't yet. No, watch me get a paper cut. But anyways, it just gives it so much dimension, and it's quick and easy and fun. And these little flags I thought went perfectly. We had an amazing time at the pumpkin patch. It was actually the first time I had been to this one, and it's been in our community for quite some time. And they just do such a fabulous little job for all the kids, and there's a big corn maze, and it's just so much fun. And they have a big slide, and they have so much activity, obviously. Sorry about that. We have people coming in and out. But my littles are just like, let's go, Grandma. So I wanted to show you that. Put that down. And this actually inspired me to go ahead and finish. I have a lot of photos, obviously, because I'm a grandma and I went to the pumpkin patch with my grandbabies and my daughter-in-law, and you can never walk away with one or two photos. Oh, A little bit higher up here. And this is how I do it with banners. I'm sure there might be a better way. Let's not get our OCD in there too much. So what I do, if you can hear my dog, I totally apologize. We have a lot of activity at my house. I don't know, it's like I turn on the camera and yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. There's a bunch of things. I can sit here in silence for hours and then and then it's like everybody's here. So I just make a little knot and then I just kind of, and you all may have a better way of doing this, I don't know. And it's probably going to have a hard time staying on that ribbon, I'm not sure, but maybe not. Oops. And then I just tie a knot in it. I need a new pair of scissors. Definitely. I have my favorite pair that I always go to, and it's like, please stay sharp forever. And then I just kind of work that down. Oh my heavens, my dog is out there just whining. So I will let that dry and then I will decide on where I want to, I guess I could just snip that off right now. Like I said, I really need a new pair of scissors or I need to sharpen these, but I'm kind of afraid because these are my favorite pair. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Seriously. Wow. Then I'm going to add some enamel dots. And this was fun to just kind of add to and just be kind of whimsical about everything. Trying to use my enamel dots more. I'm going to use all of these little ones. I went through my enamel dots and I cut them into colors. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do have 2 left, but these are too big for me and I'm going to put these in my card making. And that will be good. I wanted to also show you that I'm in the midst of creating my second page. I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you. It's not done by any means, but this will be on my second layout over here. And I just took some leftovers and started to lay that out. So it'll be a great companion page. And then I'm really trying to just get this kit done. I went ahead and started doing a flip pocket and I still have to print out some photos. So I'm inspired to get this done today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please go over and check out the Mini Kit Monday ladies. I don't know what they have in store for the holidays, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing and wonderful. I'm going to list Kathy, Becky, and Dolly's YouTube channel down below and the Facebook group, the Mini Kit Monday. And I hope you guys will join me next month and the ladies, and we will talk to you all soon. I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving, and we are excited about the Christmas season. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.